Hi guys, so I just wanted to quickly do this video because I saw something on YouTube where someone said, if you're making any skincare products or you are using any skincare products, that you should not exceed 2% of your active ingredient. Now, while that sounds, somewhat true, it's not completely true, because there's what they call efficacy data, right? Now, there's also what they call usage percentage rate for these active materials. So when you buy your active materials from your manufacturers or from your ingredient sellers or whatever, there is a usage rate that is attached to that ingredient. Now, what this usage rate means is these manufacturers have tested these ingredients and they have come to a conclusion that the ingredient is most effective when it is used at a percentage or as a certain percentage. Now, if you use the ingredient below that percentage, you may not get the result that you're looking for. And if you use the ingredient above the usage percentage, you might end up having adverse results, reactions, or not even getting the effect that you want. However, there's also a room for you to carry out your own testings and, find a balance that works for you, but always working with the designated usage percentage rate. Now, let's come back to the efficacy data. Now, a lot of these ingredients have efficacy data that are on this internet or from your manufacturer directly, that tells you exactly what that product, how that product actually works. They give you data on each percentage that these ingredients have been used, and then showing you that when it is used at a certain percentage, that ingredient is most effective. Do you understand? So telling people that you must use every ingredient that you're using below 2% is not correct, because you didn't make the ingredient. Have you made your findings to find out that that product is effective at 2%? There are ingredients that are effective at 4%, 7%, 8%, 10%, depending on the information given to you by the manufacturer. Yes, there are ingredients that are most effective at 2%, but not every ingredient or active material is effective at 2%. Sometimes you need to, filter some of these informations that you get online, because not everybody has your interest at heart. Some of them just come online and open their mouth and just pour out information that they have not taken time to make research on, simply because they want views and this social media money. So be careful. Be very careful where you get your information from. I just thought I should make this video so you guys, have an idea. Okay, I know I look crazy, but yeah.